here's how you can raise your hand in the Google Meet on your Android. Let's get started. If you're new here, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. Of course, whenever you get inside your Meet session or get inside of the call, make sure you actually properly join it. And then at the bottom you have a couple of different toggles, right? So you have like the microphone or emojis, but one of the button next to the three dots for me is the hand icon, right? And when I click on it, you can see that it makes like a sound to indicate that it's active. The icon turns green and it indicates to all other people that I have my hand up, right? So I just want to say something, that's how you can raise your hand within the Google Meet, right? So that is how it works. So it's really not that difficult, but the only thing which could prevent it from working properly would be an outdated version of the app. So I would recommend you to check out the Google Play Store where you can look up the Google Meet as such. And if there is an update available, make sure you tap the update button so it will get you the latest version of the app. But that's it from me. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you in the upcoming videos as well.